If you're seeing a SketchUp license error like exceeded at allowed activations, or you're stuck in a sign-in loop, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it. These license issues are usually caused by old device sessions, a broken sign-in token, or a connection problem, and in most cases, you can get SketchUp working again in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software fixes, creative tools, and step-by-step tutorials just like this one. It really helps support the channel. Alright, let's get into it. First, if your error says you have exceeded your allowed activations, this usually means your SketchUp subscription is already signed in on too many devices. The good news is you can fix that from your Trimble account. Open your browser and sign in to your Trimble account using the same email you use for SketchUp. Once you're logged in, look for the option called Manage Devices. This section shows the devices currently using your license. From there, click Deauthorize All. This will remove SketchUp access from older sessions and free up your license so you can use it on your current computer. If you recently changed devices, reinstalled SketchUp, or signed in on multiple machines, this step is usually the one that solves the problem. After you deauthorize all devices, go back to SketchUp on your current machine and sign in again. In many cases, that alone will clear the activation error and let SketchUp verify your subscription properly. If it works, you're done. Now, if you're dealing with a sign-in loop or authorization failure, the fix is a little different. Start by signing out of SketchUp completely, then close the application fully, not just minimize it. After that, reopen SketchUp and sign back in again with your Trimble account. Sometimes the sign-in session just needs to be refreshed. Also, make sure your internet connection is active and stable. SketchUp needs to contact the license servers to verify your account. So if your connection is blocked, offline, or unstable, you may keep getting stuck at the sign-in screen. If possible, try a different network or temporarily disable anything that may interfere with the connection, like a VPN or restrictive firewall settings. If you still see the same problem, you may be running into a classic license error or a corrupted local token on your computer. This is where the login_session.dat file comes in. This file stores part of the local license handshake, and if it becomes damaged, SketchUp can keep failing the login process even after you enter the correct details. To fix that, first close SketchUp completely. Then open File Explorer and click the address bar at the top. Paste this path exactly. %appdata %/SketchUp /SketchUp 2026 /SketchUp. Press enter. This will take you to the folder where the local token file is stored. Inside that folder, look for a file named login_session.dat. Delete that file. Don't worry, SketchUp will recreate it automatically the next time you launch the program. Once the file is removed, reopen SketchUp and sign in again. This forces a fresh license check, which often clears persistent authorization errors in broken sign-in loops. If SketchUp opens normally after that, your license issue was likely caused by a corrupted local session file, and now it should be resolved. If it still doesn't work, go back and double-check that you've deauthorized old devices in your Trimble account and that you're using the correct account tied to your subscription. The main thing to remember is this. Most SketchUp license errors are not permanent. They're usually caused by too many active sessions, a stale login token, or a sign-in problem that can be fixed by resetting access and refreshing the account connection. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.